Everyone can join crypto and start trading, but not everyone can make money on it. Some traders keep increasing their deposits, while others are constantly losing theirs. It is not about luck, it is about knowledge, analysis, and smart strategy. LibCryptos has a comprehensive guide on how to make money with cryptocurrency. It provides you with the knowledge and tools you need to become a successful crypto trader. In this ebook, you'll learn about the different types of trading you can do with cryptocurrency, as well as different types of crypto market technical analysis. You'll also learn the different types of cryptocurrency trading platforms, as well as the best strategies for each of those platforms. If you're ready to bring your trading to the next level and become finally profitable, do not miss this opportunity. Download it now and improve your skills tremendously.